You say encantar means to love something a lot. If the song me encanta, I just never wanna stop. Encantar, encantar, I like it more than gusta. When I really, really love it, me encanta este lugar. Encantar, encantar, I love it so much. When it feels that strong, I use that word. Encantar, encantar, I love it so much. Now sing it slow, repeat what you heard. Encantar, encantar, put the feeling in the sound. Encantar, encantar, love it so much, write it down. You say fascinar when something blows your mind. Me fascina la ciencia, every question that I find. Fascinar, fascinar, I'm amazed, I'm hypnotized when it's crazy interesting and it opens up my eyes. Fascinar, fascinar, I'm so amazed when it hits that way. I use that word. Fascinar, fascinar, I'm so amazed. Now sing it slow, repeat what you heard. Fascinar, fascinar, when it's shining in your head. Fascinar, fascinar, so amazing, like you said. You say importar when it matters deep inside. Me importa, mi familia, they're my heart, they're my pride. Importar, importar, for the things I really care. Te importa el problema, do you feel it, are you there? Importar, importar, it really matters when it's in your heart. You use that word. Importar, importar, it really matters. Now sing it slow, repeat what you heard. Important, important, when you care, when you do. Importer, yeah, it matters just like you. You say interesar, something catches your brain. Me interesa la historia, all the stories, every name. And molestar, molestar, when it bothers you a bit. Me molesta el ruido, I can't focus, I can't sit. And dar igual, means you really do not mind. Me da igual la película, choose whatever you can find.